Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana made another low here overnight, not to our surprise, because as you know, yesterday I talked about this blue support area, which we've got two different counts here basically. We've got the blue count, where I said to you yesterday that in the blue count, in this blue 5-wave structure, if we can count it like that, if we count it like that, we have a good chance to end this correction down here in this area. Is it my primary expectation? No. So obviously I have to show it to you because it's a possibility, but I outlined to you yesterday it's not my primary expectation. However, you can see how relevant this support area is, because while we wicked below it, we did eventually find support in this blue area. And this is located between $9.90 and $10 and, well, yeah, 35. Now, the reaction at the moment, it shows a bit of an engulfing bullish candle here on the 4-hour chart, but the 4-hour candle isn't closed yet. On the 1 hour, we also see a 1-hour bullish engulfing. This is not enough yet. This looks very much like a 3-wave structure at the moment to me. So we could say, okay, maybe we've completed the low here. The problem is when you end a correction with such a strong move down, it typically is not sufficient. Yeah, you don't normally end corrections with a wick like that, which is so impulsive to the downside. So yeah, I'm skeptical. I mean, we could certainly now see some temporary upside. In the first instance, obviously a retest of the channel, which we are doing right now. If that retest is successful, it will probably quite quickly go down and continue to go down with a break below $9.90. I think this will be pretty much confirmed. If we go up, then we have the next resistance at this channel resistance, and then at this previous support area, which is now resistance area around 11.75. Then we need to take it from there. It depends on the structure. To be a bit more convinced that a substantial low has been made here, what I need to see is a 5-wave move to the upside. You know that if you follow my channel, 5 waves up, 3 waves down. In an ideal way, I don't want to see a diagonal pattern. Yeah, I want to see an impulse that will give us most confidence. A proper impulse with a wave 1 and 5 waves being an impulse, a wave 2, the wave 3 reaching the 1.618 extension of the wave 1 at least, then a wave 4 holding support at the at least or as a maximum retracing to the 50% of wave 3, and then a wave 5 that puts a proper wave 5 in, not a very shallow wave 5, no, a proper wave 5. That would be the ideal way. I don't have much confidence into this, but if it happens, I'm happy to commit to more upside from here. And then we get the 5 waves up and the 3 waves down, and that would be a possible new entry point. But without seeing some kind of a reversal signal like that, buying in here is extremely risky. Just saying. Because my primary expectation is that we're following the orange count, which will take us down further in the first instance into the $7 range, and then possibly in one more low afterwards into the, well, $4 to $5 range, maybe even lower. And this is, however, really the level where it needs to turn around, because there's one last large support area that goes down to basically zero. So it turns in here, turns around here, or it will not do anything really. And will not survive. So this is the last moment, or the last level where it can really turn around. Basically the make or break point. Solana at the moment already doesn't really look incredibly bullish. It doesn't really look incredibly healthy. It has dropped already, 80% below the no, how much have we actually dropped? How much have we dropped? You know, the 88.7% fib level was at around, or is at around 29 US dollars. That's a key level, absolute key level. Dropping below that level is not healthy. No, it has dropped around 67% below the 88.7% fib level. That's not good. So and also the strong move down here from yesterday, that impulsive move to the downside, to me rather suggests that we are in some kind of a wave 3 here. So I'm looking at further downside here. Again, nothing's going to happen in one straight line, but this is how it looks to me. And especially this move down here is extremely impulsive. So my primary expectation is currently being followed. I already warned you that we're going to see lower, more downside if we break below this yellow support area. And we're going to see here further downside until Again, until I see a proper 5-wave move to the upside, I'm observing this. I will update you if I see something, but at the moment the trend is clearly down, and we have a little bit of support in the blue support area now. But if we drop below that at 990 substantially, also this potential for upside is gone, and I don't have a lot of faith in it anyway. Okay, that's just a quick update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.